Your eSIM is not activating, or you are seeing an eSIM activation failed message. Do not panic. In most cases, the problem is temporary and can be fixed by checking a few common issues. The first, make sure your phone supports eSIM and that is unlocked if required. An eSIM will not activate on devices that do not support the feature or if there are compatibility restrictions with the network. The next is check your internet connection. Your phone needs a stable Wi-Fi um, or mobile data connection during the activation process. If the connection drops while the eSIM is downloading, the, the setup may fail or remain incomplete. It is also possible that the activation QR code has expired or has already been used. If that's the case, you will usually need a new activation code from EE before trying again. Restarting your phone after scanning the QR code can also help complete the setup in some situations. If the eSIM still is not activating, sign in to your EE account and check whether the eSIM has been fully provisioned on your line. If everything looks correct but the issues continues, contact EE customer support. They can verify your account, check the activation status, and provide a new eSIM if necessary. Most eSIM activation problems are caused by connection issues, incompatible devices, expired activation codes, or temporary account provisioning delays. Once the underlying uh, issues is resolved, the eSIM usually activates successfully. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.